Hi everyone, I am Dr. Chaitra, pediatric pulmonologist and sleep specialist, Aster RV Hospital, Bangalore. Many parents ask me, Doctor, my child has been coughing for weeks now, is this normal? Let me explain this in a very simple way. Cough is usually a body's way of protecting the lungs. Usually it clears the mucus, dust, or any infection. If the cough lasts for more than 4 weeks, then we call it as chronic cough. Usually, the most common causes of the chronic cough are the repeated viral infections, maybe a frequent cold in school going children, especially where the infection is going on repeatedly and parents may think it never went away, or it may be an asthma or allergy where the cough get worsens at night or during laughing or maybe for a weather change, or it may be a sinus issues, or it may be due to acid reflux, or very rarely it may be due to chronic infections or the forgotten foreign body when a small kid is playing with toys or nuts, it can happen, or it may be a congenital lung malformations causing repeated infections. Not all long lasting coughs are serious, but they do need proper evaluation. So when parents must be concerned, cough more than 4 weeks, coughing with blood, repeated episodes of pneumonia, there is no weight gain, when there is a sleep disturbance due to coughing. So the conclusion is not all prolonged cough requires antibiotics. Identifying the exact root cause is very important. With timely evaluation and proper care, usually children tend to respond very well. So, if your child has any of these concerns, please contact us immediately. Don't ignore and seek expert advice. And don't panic either. For any further doubts, I am available at Aster RV Hospitals, JP Nagar, Bangalore.